Our nurses are future, the economic power of care, Haibatimda, Trained Nurses Association of the India, TNAI Amasong, Student Nurses Association of the India, SNA, Manipur State Branch Anina Sinduna, Ngase, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMSki, Jubilee Hall, the Ahanba Annual Conference, Pangtokre. Thoramaduda RIMSki Director Dr. G. Sunilkumar Sharma, TNAI, Manipur State Branch ki President, N. Tangbi, M. Philippi Director Dr. Ila Sanatongbe, Manipur Nursing Council के Registrar Dr. A. Jamuna, RIMS की Chief Nursing Officer M. Ibemhal, JNIMS की Nursing Superintendent M. Jivanlata Made, TNAI Manipur की Secretary T.H. Binodinina, Maroiba, Mithung Lensing on Sarukyaki. Thoramadu Mari Lenana, RIMS की Director Dr. G. Sunilkumar Sharma Hai, Dr. Dagi Tadana Layeng Lamda, Nurse Singna, Dana Thoudang Louri, Nurse Yaudana Dr. Tadana Layeng Bahibasi Oitokle. Napigani oithokte maramaduna nurse ke sinfamda leidiba Singna anaba sing senaba amasung layeng bada yamna puning changbaga loinana kathokpagi tangai fadaba lei COVID-19 laichot ki matamda nurse Singna akiba amasung hangoiba khudimak tongoinaramlaga laukiba thodang singadu aikhoina kaidangda kaufam thokte hausik leibak asigi oina nurse patient ratio asi patient listing amada nurse amaga 10.8 oire World Health Organization ki kanglon matungina nurse patient ratio asi Ahum dasmik ama sino oigadabane. Mamang thakta India ki oina nurse masing yamna leiram drabasu ngasidi nurse tamba mahairoi masing asi tapna hengalakle. Kumja lising ani kunmari fawda India ki oina nurse million mari dasmik ahum mathou tare. India pumbada healthcare workers sing asi masing hengat handuna World Health Organization na piriba kanglon sing asi yauhannaba bandam thamli hainasu mak na makhatan phongdokhi.
And also about the number of the patient and the nursing ratio. We are on the final stage of creating how much is the requirement, for example, for RIMS, which was started as a 300-400 bedded hospital. Now we have 1,300 beds. By now, how much number should be increased? So that we have done. So we expect to put this in the coming meetings in the central level, like Standing Finance Committee. Thereby, we plan to increase the number accordingly as per the norms.